Hi, there is a common misunderstanding between the working professionals on what is project and operations. So I take this opportunity to create this video to explain on what is project, operations, and also to explain at a high level what is project management and the tips to manage a project effectively. I'm Rekha and I'm the Chief Trainer of Kalpataru Consulting. What is a project? Before explaining, let me give an example for a project. Building of a vehicle, a car, or a metro, construction of a house, or building of a net banking system, or a website. All these are typical examples of project. Now, why these are projects? Because the effort in building this is temporary. That is, you start on a specific day. Once you complete the construction of this metro or the house, or be it the net banking system or the website or the vehicle, the car, the project comes to an end. So anything which is the effort is temporary with a definite start and an end is a very important trait of a project. And through this effort, you're going to build a product, a service, or a result. So, to give an example again, the car can be a product, the net banking system could be a service, an intangible product, and let's say in your organization, there is a survey run to understand the stress level of the employees, and as a result, a report is being submitted. So, this report is a result. So the outcome can be a product, a service, or a result, and ultimately to meet an objective. And when I say the project is a temporary effort, the effort of building the product is temporary, but the product is going to be permanent, right? And when I say temporary, it's not necessary to be of a short period. For example, building of a website could be a 10 days project. Building of a metro could be a 10 years project. I hope you understood what is project. A project is a temporary endeavor through which you build a unique product, service, or a result. Then what is operations? Operations is something which is repetitive. The same process gets repeated and it is going to be an ongoing process with no definite end date. So to take an example, order management, customer service, all these are repetitive in nature. The same process gets repeated, right? And there is no specific end date. So to again give another example, building of a new vehicle, a new car is a project. And now building of the same vehicle again and again repeatedly, lakhs and lakhs of vehicles are getting built, and this is a typical example of operations. Having understood what is project and operations, now what is project management? So to build this product, you would be conducting various activities. You applying your tools, your knowledge, the skills in effectively managing the project, building the product is your project management in simple words. So how to ensure we effectively manage our project? The few tips to be shared are: ensure you build your scope at the very beginning of the project. It should be clear. And divide the scope into smaller tasks. Ensure there is frequent communication, there is transparency, and monitor and control. Ensure you track your project progress on a regular basis. If there is a deviation, take corrective actions. And every project is a learning. So the learnings from one project can be applied in another project so you can manage the upcoming projects in a more efficient way. I hope this video helped you to understand what is project, what is operations, at a high level what is project management, and a few quick tips on managing your project effectively. If you like this video, click on the like button and share to other fellow learners. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your time.